Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Artistic YK and I am Yukta, and today we are going to see a most common recipe during this lockdown, which is banana bread. And you don't need to be patient for this recipe. It's really easy and quick recipe. It's really good, so do try it and watch this video till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So first we are going to take some bananas. So overly ripe bananas, I have taken 3 middle-sized bananas and I'm going to smash them. So do smash them until they are like liquidy consistency. Now into our smashed bananas we are going to add 1 cup of milk, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil and half a cup of yogurt, which is Dahi, and then give it a good mix. Now we are going to sieve our dry ingredients. So in a sieve, I am adding 1.5 cups of maida gradually, half cup of sugar, two tablespoons of cinnamon powder, which is Dalchini, and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Now that we have sieved everything properly, we are going to mix. Now take a bread tin and grease it with some melted butter or oil and put your batter into it. Now on the top, I'm going to spread some crushed almonds and cashews. Now in preheated oven, we are going to bake this bread at 180 degrees Celsius for 55 minutes. Now it's been 55 minutes and the bread is baked perfectly. We are going to demold it and let it cool down completely.